Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a return of a beauty box I haven't unboxed on my channel for quite a while, and it is the NYX beauty box. Now NYX bring out their beauty boxes, oh my gosh, I just can't keep up with them. They bring in new boxes out every couple of weeks, every 3 weeks or so. At the moment there's about 5 or 6 different boxes on their website. This came out just over a week ago and there's already a new one up there. I'll put a list of all the boxes that they've got available on their website down in my description, as well as this one. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So this is the NYX Discovery Beauty Box and it costs £20 and it contains all products by the NYX brand themselves. So I thought that'd be quite nice to try their products out. But the other boxes contain lots of different branded products and themes, etc. I love the fact that NYX have got these boxes. It's not a subscription, it's just like going on, choosing a pair of jeans. If you want them, you have them. If you don't, you don't have to. Same with these boxes. You just need to create an account to be able to order. It's only available in the UK, and yeah, they've been doing their boxes now for about 2 years, something like that. I remember I was in Catalonia when the first one came out and I was so excited, so I bought one and it was waiting for me when I came home. So yeah, so that was 2018, so a good couple of years ago. When they were first released, you were getting a bargain. The boxes were costing what, £12–15, and they were jam-packed full of products. Over the last year or so, I haven't been that excited by them. We're seeing lots of products that we receive in subscription boxes. If you are a subscription box addict like myself, then you might be familiar with a lot of products. Some of the boxes seem very samey to me, but then recently they have brought out some really great boxes as well, all different price brackets. They're not £15 anymore though. I think the cheapest is £18 and then they go up to about £40. I think that's it as far as information goes. If there's anything you want to ask, then please ask away. But let's get on to showing you what's inside the Discovery box. It smells nice. There you go. So I'll go through them one by one. There's no card, nothing like that detailing what the products are. So yeah, I'll just read the information off the back from what I can gather. So the first item I picked up is a 75ml NYX Just Pink Body Mist. Now I have smelt this in NYX before, but I can't remember. I just love sprays. Just love sprays. It's a nice smell. Woohoo! Thankfully, because I've got a lot of Just Pink stuff in the box. Yeah, it's a nice smell. It's very... Oh, I'm useless at describing. Does it say here? Does it say... Oh, it does! It's got it here. It says a fresh green floral fragrance with soft fruits and pink blooms. It has green mandarin, cassis, jasmine, and musk and patchouli. That is it. That's what it smells of. Yeah, it's nice. I do really like that. Next I got a body lotion, and yeah, to purchase this size it'll cost you £2 because the little label is still on there. Ooh, that feels really weird. It's very... It's more like a serum. What is it? A body lotion? It's more like a serum. That's not to say that it's not any good or anything, but yeah, it just feels weird. It's very water-based. It just feels like a serum. It doesn't feel like a nice luxurious cream then, if you know what I mean. But if you use this, please let me know down below your thoughts on it. Next, I've got a Just Pink Moisturising Lip Balm with vitamin E. And this will cost you £3. Can you see there? I'm not sure if it'll show up. Yeah, £3 anyway. Whoa, fancy lip balm. Look, isn't that gorgeous? Really fancy lip balm. Oh, it smells lovely. It doesn't smell like the perfume. It smells fruity, like strawberries. Oh, that is lovely. I love the packaging. That is really nice, isn't it? Nice to pop in your handbag. I never have a handbag. I always say handbag. I don't own any handbags. I just have massive shoulder bags full of crap. Next, we've got some nail polish. And it says £5 on here, and they do a 3 for 2, and this is step 1 of the NYX Gel Nail in Sahara Desert. Love the packaging, love the stiletto point there. Yeah, that's a really nice colour. I have gels on my nails, so I won't be using that on my nails, but I do use polish on my toes. So yeah, that's a really pretty colour. That is gorgeous actually, I really like that. Ooh, we got a Just Pink perfume, and this is 10 mils here. These haven't got prices on, so I can't tell you how much these cost. Oh, I can't open the packaging without ripping it apart. So I've got a body lotion, I've got a body spray, and now I've got the actual perfume, and I've got a lip balm all in the Just Pink. So if you love Just Pink, then this box is for you, isn't it? Yeah. Is that okay? That smells slightly different to the body spray. I like this. I do really like it. Oh, 10 mils, is that all it is? 50. Weird. Oh, it's definitely not 50. But yeah, 10 mil perfume there. Next, we've got a Aura coconut flavoured lip balm. And this is £3. So another lip balm. Another gorgeous design. Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. So you just go like that. Oh, I do like these ones. Yeah, coconut. It's got a lip balm. Then we got a NYX lip gloss, but it doesn't give me a shade. It doesn't say. Oh, it's a nice colour. Yeah, I do really like this as well. Definitely one I'd wear. So just like a little flush of colour to your lips there in gloss form. Yeah, I like that. And then I got a lipstick. This is like a little teeny tiny one. Again, it doesn't... Oh, the colour is a bit weird. Doesn't tell me what the shade is, but it's really small. That colour is really odd. Oh gosh, what's it going to be like lips? No, it's not for me. You might not be able to see much there. It colour shifts. You've got peach, pink, gold. Yeah, no, not for my lips anyway. Their makeup just feels really cheap. I have tested their makeup in the past. I did a video years ago on YouTube when I first started out testing their makeup, and I was quite impressed with it. I was quite impressed, but it didn't feel like this unless they're giving me like advent calendar type products, you know, that you can't actually buy them. This is a highlighter, but it doesn't give me a shade or anything like that. These are advent calendar products that they can't get rid of, which is fine. Which is fine. I bet there is a full-size version of these somewhere. That is really pretty. That is quite a highlighter though. So I'm more inclined to use that as an eyeshadow, like an inner corner glowy eyeshadow, than a highlighter. What have we got here? We've got a pot of frog spawn. It's not, obviously. Lovely, scrubbly lip scrub. Whew, it smells of coffee. Yeah, that's what it looks like there. No other information about it. Is it coffee? Is that coffee? What I can... Got a pot of lip scrub. Then got a little brush. This must be from their advent calendars. I don't know. Nice little brush there. Be nice maybe to do like a sweeping under eye shade or something. It's just a little teeny tiny one. But yeah. Then I got another polish, and this is Nail Colour Collection. So it costs you £4, and also in the 3 for 2. That's pretty. I know my daughter would love this. So it's all like silver and purples and pinks, all sparkly. And then lastly, we've got 2 samples. We've got Eau Nude Eau de Parfum, exciting and seductive, with raspberry, mandarin, jasmine, rose, patchouli and amber. That is nice actually. That is really nice. I don't want to spray too much because I've covered myself in Just Pink. So I don't want to go overboard, but from what I can smell of it, that is quite nice. Enticing and seductive. So there's that. And then last one, we've got Cashmere. This is luxurious and soft. Bergamot, freesia, rose and miguet, and musk and incense. I got a feeling I probably won't like this one. Oh, flipping Nora. Sprayed it so that it sprays back on myself, so I've got it all over my hands. Hang on. I don't know, I quite like that one as well. I'm gonna have to try them out all individually because they're all blending into one, but yeah, I think I like that one as well. Please let me know if you buy any perfumes from Next, as in their own branded perfumes. How long do they last? Are they any good, etc.? I'd love to hear your thoughts. But yeah, so those are all the products in the new Next Discovery box. It's not the newest one because the new one came out a couple of days ago, but this one came out about a week and a half ago, something like that. So yeah, so I'll just go through it all, giving you a bit of a recap. Got a Just Pink body mist, got a Just Pink lip balm, got a Just Pink eau de parfum, got a Just Pink body lotion, got a makeup brush, got a little lipstick, got a highlighter, got a coconut lip balm, we've got a gel nail polish, got a lip gloss, got a lip scrub, we've got a glittery disco Daze nail polish, then we've got a sample of Eau Nude and a sample of Cashmere perfume. Cost of the box is £20. It doesn't have a value, but it's a chance for you to try some Next branded beauty products that they sell on their website. Yeah, I think there's a lot of products in there. I'm excited about the Just Pink perfumes, the body sprays and things like that. I do actually like the smell, which is handy. The lip balms are lovely. The nail polishes I'm going to give away. The highlighter, the little lipstick, the makeup brush, etc. I think they are advent calendar products that you can't actually buy, which goes against the Discovery name of it, unless I'm wrong. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Did you buy it? Or did you see it and think, no, I don't like Just Pink, there's no way I'm going to buy it? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.